Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Designer, a free tool from Microsoft which you can use to create social media posts, any advertisements. It's easy to use and it's integrated with AI, so you can generate any image using AI and incorporate with your design, and it gives you more ideas, different templates using AI as well. So I'm going to do a social media post for you guys, so stay tuned. So first of all, you'll need a Microsoft free account. You can go to office.com and create a new account, or if you have an existing account, you can log in, and this is the main page. And you can go to apps on the left hand side, and these are all the free applications given to you by Microsoft. I have covered Word, Excel and PowerPoint in a different video which I show you how to edit any document in your computer using the online version. So if you want to have a look at that, I'm going to mention that link in this video description as well. So we are going to Designer. It's loading Designer. I should mention that this is a preview of this software, so it's going to be a bit slow. So when it's really slow, I'm gonna skip those parts and continue. So over here you can describe what you want to design. Here are a few examples which you can select from. So if I select this, it will populate this text box with that description. So I have already done some description for my so I'm gonna create a social media post for men's clothing line. Integrate summer wear, summer color theme. Name of the brand is Noble Nova, and also mention the launching date as 5th September. Add waves art in the background. So I'm gonna generate. So it gives me these designs. It's not much attractive design, so also I can generate an image to integrate into my design, so I can put in anything here. For that also I have something already written down which I'm gonna copy through. So young person wearing summer shirt and shorts with shades near beach, photorealistic. And as I type in, it gives me the keywords which you can put in, which it will make the picture more interesting. You can select this like pencil sketch, long view. So I'm just gonna go ahead and generate. So remember, this is an AI generated image, so it's copyright free. And if I go to this information icon, it tells me that it's using DALL-E, which is an AI platform which you can use to create images. So it gives me these images. It's not much which I don't think I can generate another one. I can go ahead again, click again, or I can change the description a little bit and generate again. So I can keep on generating. I'm just gonna use one of them for time being. So I'm gonna select that. So it's gonna incorporate my image and the wording and everything. It's gonna give me a few designs. So I'm gonna select one of them, and we can change the design later on after we customize this again. So I'm gonna select this one, and also you can change the size, landscape, portrait or square. So I'm gonna go with square. So I'm gonna select this and customize design. So it's gonna put my whatever the wording which I gave it, and it's gonna do a simple design for me. Also on the right hand side I can see more designs which it generated for me. So I'm gonna select another one from here which is a bit more attractive. So it loaded the design which I selected from the right hand side. It took a bit of time. So I can add more wording if I want. I can edit these images again with different filters. So if I select the image, it gives me this toolbar. I can replace the image, remove background. So if I go to effects, it's going to open the effects panel, which I can remove any person. If there are multiple people or any object which I want to remove, I can remove that. It's going to use AI. Remove background, blur the background, or different filters are there as well. So I can select one of these filters, and it's going to load that filter in. So I can change the intensity and adjust colors, and I can select this auto adjust. It will adjust automatically the colors. And the wording, I can select the wording and change the wording. There are different font formats. I can select from here and can change the font format. It will change as I select these different formats. And also there are brand kits, which it's gonna change the whole theme of the fonts. So if I go here, it gives me different colors and different fonts as a kit. So I can select one of them and it will change the whole banner. So I can select one of these. I'm gonna go with, so it's gonna change the whole post with the new color theme and the font. So if I don't like this, I can just undo that, go back. And on the left hand side, furthermore, I can add more texts. I can add a heading, different heading, or I can add more visuals, like more images. I can search here for any stock images. There are graphics. So if I search for beach, there are graphics here which I can just click and drag and drop. And I can also add media from my computer and or OneDrive, Google Drive, or from my photos. These are the images which I generated earlier. It's gonna be showing up here as well. And finally, if you want to download, you can download this post by going to download, and it's gonna give me PNG format and download. It's gonna download this post. Then I can use it to post in my social media for my advertisements or anything like that. So that's how we create a post, a social media post or advertisement in new Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys took something from this, and thanks for watching this video, and catch you on the next one.